the participants for the 7 wishes to please join us here in front. We are about our short birthday wishes for Marian Lobia. So may we call on our first participants. We'd like to call Ninang Kamor. Clap your hands.
Hi, Mavi. Happy birthday. So, wish ko lang sa'yo, syempre, and be a good girl, and a God-fearing to your, and also be good girl to your parents, and to all friends and relatives na meron ka in a circle of friends. So, sana lumigit kang mabait palagi. Love you, Mavi. Mahal ka ni Mama Nina.
Alright, everybody clap your hands for Nina. Next, for the 7 wishes, I'd like to call Nina Jenny Caro. Clap your hands. Wow. Thank you for the wonderful message, video.
Happy birthday, Bobby! We hope that you'll be always a good girl. And sana lahat ng wishes and mga dreams mo will come true. And always remember, nandito lang si Ninang always for you, di ba? Love ka namin, Ninong, Jason. I love you! Happy birthday!
Alright, clap your hands for Nina Jenny Caro. Next, I would like to call Ninong Bodge Solis.
May pagkain na pala. Kaya may naamoy na.
Alright, so please give a short message to our birthday celebrant for the birthday celebrant. Hello.
Happiest birthday to my anak, Mami. We are happy to be here, happy and honored to be here.
Mami?
Our birthday wishes for you is to grow up healthy, full of wisdom, and to be a good Christian. Siyempre, we always pray for your protection from any danger, any harm, for many years to come. We pray that you may grow up gracious to your brother EJ, Daddy James, and Mommy Love. You are truly a blessing, not just today, but also tomorrow. May this day, special day, be filled with joy and laughter, and may you cherish this wonderful day, wonderful memories in your heart forever. So, we love you. From Ninong Bodge, Tita Pichi, Milo, Elia, and Xavier. Happy birthday!
Alright, clap your hands for Ninang Bodge Solis. Thank you so much. Next for the beat, Tita Jen or Tito Pao. And Tito Pao, Tita Jen and Tito Pao.
Happy 7th birthday. Isa namang smile dyan. Ayan. This is your prettiest moment. Alam mo ba yun? You're already pretty and you're prettier and super pretty talaga. Alam mo yun? Sabi ni Lord sa akin, kung anong i-wish ko sa'yo, alam mo kung ano? Ask me why. Ang sabi ni Lord, i-wish ko daw sa'yo at ipag-pray ko sa'yo that you continue to become a sweet
daughter, sister, friend to many. Because that's what I've seen you all throughout the first time I saw you. And happy ka ba today? Pahalata mo nga. Ay, happy birthday, Maddie. I continue to pray for your good health and continue to become a good servant and good daughter to your parents. Alright? Happy birthday, love you. Bye-bye.
Alright, thank you so much. Next, Tita Ria. Alright, so I'm getting call on Tita Ria or Tito Brian. Short message for the birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday, Abby! Smile, no?
I wish you all the best. Continue to be a good girl and a peace girl. Okay? Never die that part in the heart. Continue to pray. What else? You don't want anything now? Oh, okay. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Alright, everybody clap your hands for Tita Ria. Wow, thank you so much for the wonderful message, Tita Ria. And last but not the least, and dalawang lola natin. Ayan, Lola Manet. I'd like to call Lola Manet and Lola Seal. Here, I'd like to call Lola Manet and Lola Seal. Please give a short message for the birthday celebrant. And
Hello po. Good afternoon po. Ako po yung lola ni Mabi sa Tagaytay kay James po na mother po ni James. Mabi, unang-una nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon dahil after ni Ate Sia, binigay ka sa amin. Si Kuya, siyempre si Kuya EJ muna bago si Ate Sia, Mabi. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon dahil bigyan ulit kami ng isang Mabi. Sabi nga nila, naniniwala ba kayo na minimi ko si namin? Kamukha ba kayo? Pag-ayaw mo na kanina sabi niya kamukha. Wish ko naman na sana maging a good girl, tapos laging maging mabait sa isa't isa. Laging magdadasal, mahalin mo lagi si Kuya, kahit naaway ka, saka si Mami at si Daddy. Laging maalagaan si Mami sila, no? Ibalad ka namin. So, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. And I love you, Mami.
alright, everybody clap your hands for Lola. Next.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Salamat ako at ayaw nakadalo sa ikapitong taong birthday ni Bobby. Ang masasabi ko lang sa batang ito ay kahit siya silent type na ganyan, napaka-smart niya. Magalang din siya sa mga nakatatanda. At pag araw ng oras na pasukan, alert siya. Lalo na kung may mga silent, mga project. At nag-wish ko sana hanggang sa paglaki niya, kailangan siya pasipag mag-aral. Wish ko sa iyo,
Alright, everybody clap your hands for Lolas. And now I would like to call lahat po ng participants ng 7 wishes